The Iowa Libertarian Party took its case to the Iowa Supreme Court today in the effort to keep congressional candidates on the ballot. Good afternoon, I'm Janae Town.
I'm Erin Kiernan. Thanks for being with us. The state objection panel ruled that the Libertarians should not be on the ballot because they didn't hold a county convention, according to the rules. WHO 13's Roger Riley was at the Supreme Court today for the hearing. He joins us now live.
Yeah, Aaron, this is an issue of procedure and how rules were applied after the Libertarian Party county, as they went into their county convention. The state panel ruled to keep the 3 congressional candidates' names off the ballot. Now, the issue is the county convention was held one evening in January and then moved on to working on the county convention. The problem is Iowa law says the delegates to the county convention don't assume their post until the next day. So the Libertarians technically moved ahead 3 hours too early. Today, both sides argued why this 3-hour time difference should or should not make a difference in allowing the Libertarian names on the ballot in Iowa.
This dispute is not about the fundamental right to vote. Every Iowan who wants to vote on November 5th gets to vote on November 5th. Every Iowan who wants to write in Marco Battaglia's name or Nicholas Gluba's name or Charles Aldrich's name can do that. And they can vote on all the races that they want to. This is about how do you as a candidate have access to the general election ballot.
That there was no injury in fact here. There's no delegate conflict, there's no ballot confusion. So there's been an admission here that the objectors today are asking for an advisory opinion. There's no injury. There's no threat to Iowa election law.
I thought I did everything I could as a candidate to make sure things were done the right way. And, you know, I think the lawyers did a good job of summing that up.
Now, the court normally takes its time to issue opinions, but in this case, they indicated that a ruling will come before midnight tomorrow, which is the state of Iowa Secretary of State's deadline for getting the ballots finalized. So we should know tomorrow.
Okay, we'll definitely stay tuned. Thanks for the update, Roger.